Hello again, this is another commission piece of work that I need to do onto this hopper wagon. This one is from Bachmann, so I think this one had a few bashes in the post when it came to us because it does have the weight inside it flopping around now and the bottom is just pretty much just hanging off it, but that's okay because we need to take this apart to get it painted. You will see the absolute shine on this model, which is not really very realistic. The printing's very clear, but that shade of blue, I don't know if it's had a varnish on it or it's just a finish on the plastic, but it's not really very realistic. So the first thing I'm going to do is varnish this with some matte varnish and then start weathering it. But we'll take it apart first though, and it comes apart very easily. This just pulls out, and we've got the rusty weight here as well. I'm going to have to fix that back in later. These bogies are just a clip fit, so they should be able to just pull out, I think. Yeah, it's quite easy. One of the other things I'm going to do is upgrade these little hook couplings to more like KD knuckle couplings, and that should be quite easy just to unscrew that and put new couplings in. So we'll do that as part of this job. And also these inner parts of the hopper just pull out too, which is very easy to paint. Sometimes it's quite tricky to get a brush in through all the little railings here in order to be able to paint this part, but because this comes out, that's made the whole job a lot more easy. So the first job obviously is just to spray can this with some matte varnish and then get going on the weathering job. If you fancy getting your stuff weathered as well, then just get in contact. There'll be a QR code on screen where you can email me just now, or there's an email address you can find at the channel header page. As I'm doing this, I'll put on some music as we go, so enjoy the music. If you don't like it, just put it on mute, and yeah, let's see how we go with this model.